Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change or create a Riot ID number through your Riot Games account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate to riotgames.com and then sign into your account up in the top right corner of the screen. And once you're signed in, you want to go ahead and select Settings. So just left click on your account and then select settings. The first page should say your Riot ID. It's used by players to find you through your social panel in our games. Set up your Riot ID now. So at this point, you go ahead and enter in a Riot ID number if you didn't already have one saved. So I'm going to go ahead and actually enter one in here. Give me one moment. Okay, so I just created one here, and it can be changed every 30 days once you create or modify one. Select Save Changes. And now Riot IDs can be changed every 30 days, and it'll tell you the next day you're able to change it, in which case it'll give you an option here to change your Riot ID as well as tagline. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.